Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got my very first unboxing for July and it is Lookfantastic. It's got my address on the back there. I haven't opened it up yet. I haven't got a clue what's inside. These boxes are kindly sent to me from Lookfantastic, so I'm able to share with you a little bit early, so then you're able to see if you like it or not and whether you want to subscribe or not, basically. There was an offer on their website that if you wanted to subscribe to guarantee this box, then you can do so before the first. And for £10, your first box will be a mystery box, and then you're guaranteed to have the July box. If that's still available, I'll pop it down in my description. As well as when this box goes live, I'll pop it down in the description, and you'll also find my discount codes and offers. And Lookfantastic have just brought out a new Luxe beauty box. Here it is. I'm going to be unboxing this after I finish filming this one. That is still available on their website. They only released it a couple of days ago. And I have a code as well. I'm just ripping this box apart. I've never been able to open this properly, you know. Never. My discount code can't be used against the subscription, but it can be used against any new limited edition beauty boxes, only for the first day or two, but it entitles you to receive, for instance, with this one that I'm going to show you after this video. It retails for £80 if you're not a subscriber. With my code, it brought it down by about £16–17, so that's worth knowing. Just try. It's DiaryoFabeautygeek, by the way. I do receive a bit of commission for it, and it all goes back into helping me pay for like boxes like that, for instance. So all appreciated. But that code can be used off anything off their website as well, and it can entitle. Oh god, I'm going to show you what this mess of a box looks like, and it'll entitle you for up to 25%. So you'll find that down there in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers. And I've got a giveaway running, which is finishing in the next week or so. Look at this. Do any of you open this better? Or am I just too impatient? Lookfantastic costs £15 a box. It ships internationally. They offer a monthly rolling subscription where you can cancel any month. Plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. I believe a 12-month subscription will cost you £11 a month. Got a QR code. Usually these don't work until the 1st, but I'll give it a go. You never know. Nope, it's not working. But the theme for this month is Beat the Heat. We've got 6 products and a freebie, and the freebie is, it's one of my favourite things. But let's just start off with the products first. We have got body oil. Did I know we were getting this? I've recently seen this somewhere, and I'm thinking, I really want to try this. Really want to try this. Did we have a sneak peek? I can't remember now, because I received June's Lookfantastic beauty box really early, like about 2 weeks before the release. I'm sure I wouldn't have known the sneak peek then. Anyway, I'm really excited. I've just unboxed another unboxing and I'm just really excited. So I'm just chatting too much. I'm aware. Dermatologically tested. This is by Aveeno. Skin Relief. This is a body oil spray. Instantly nourishes very dry, sensitive skin. Clinically proven to intensely moisturize, smooth, even skin in just 1 week with oat oil and jojoba oil. 98% naturally derived ingredients, suitable for sensitive skins. And there's 200 mils there. Oh, I love the sound of this. I absolutely love the Lookfantastic. Always saying that wrong, but it's more of a fragrance oil that I use like at the end of the night if I'm going out and if I'm on holiday, and you know, I'll wear it at night on my body. But having a nice oil like this to apply on my skin, I'm thinking fake tan. I fake tan a lot in the summer months and my legs are extremely dry, so putting a dry oil will make my legs look a lot nicer and hopefully extend the tan. Oh, it's a really nice scent as well. Just really nice, subtle. Yeah, it's very, very subtle, but it smells really nice. Oh, it feels lovely. Feels really, really nice. Really happy with that. Then we have got, this is doing its rounds, maybe not this actual brand, but a triangular powder puff duo from Brushworks. They're doing its rounds on TikTok, these powder puffs. And I've actually got these in my basket ready to buy on Lookfantastic. So I don't need to now. Oh, I love that it's got a little mini one. I really like these. I have been doing makeup on myself and on other people For years and years and years, I always use powder puffs. Always have done, always will. I always buy a pack of like 10 different powder puffs from Superdrug, and they last me, you know, they last me a long while, and that's what I do. But I love the fact that you've got a little mini one there. I use them to set my under eyes, over my nose. This is for larger areas like forehead. I've got a bit of a forehead sweat going on now because it's flipping humid today. The weather is awful. Can you see how grey it looks in the mirror behind me? It's really awful, but it's so hot. But yeah, I really like that. I really love the fact I've got 2 little mini ones. You just pop them in the washing machine then and reuse them. So no, chuffed with that. Then we've got some facial radiance pads. These are from First Aid Beauty. Help exfoliate, tone and brighten, alcohol free, safe for sensitive skin, and there's 10 pads in there. I've tried these before and they're nice pads. They are really nice pads, and I love that they come in these handy little pouches as well. Again, handy for taking away. That's all I ever think about. Then we got This Works. Now this is something different. I was thinking, oh, okay, This Works. We have This Works all the time. The pillow sprays and stuff. And yeah, some of the products are great, but it's just a bit boring. This is different. I don't think I've ever had this before. Whether it's a new product or not, I don't know. It's a Morning Expert Wake Up Spray. So complete opposite to all the other sprays that they do. Motion activated aromatherapy spray to help improve mood and concentration. Oh my gosh, I've got ADHD. If this works, I'll be announcing it everywhere. Okay, I want more information about it. Shake before use, suitable for use on skin, not suitable for use on silk. Okay. Shake. Okay, so is it going to wake me up a bit more? Although I feel quite awake at the moment. What is the smell? Motion activated aromatherapy spray. No, it's not a strong smell. I can't tell you what it is, but I'm intrigued. If you've tried this before, I'd love to hear what you thought of it, or what you think of it, I should say. So yeah, so we got a Morning Expert or Wake Up Spray by This Works. Then we've got what I think is the sneak peek that I've seen. Maybe it's the Lookfantastic website. If you went on to the actual beauty box page on their website, maybe they've shown a few sneak peeks there, and that's probably where I've seen this. And this is by Lottie London. This is Ready Steady Go. It's translucent setting powder. I've tried this before as well, and it's a really nice setting powder. Yep. Oh, it's really hard, but it's white powder basically, and it's nice. It is really nice. I wouldn't use it all over my face, just in the middles of my face to set. It would be really nice, and goes really well with these powder puffs as well. Then last in the box, we've got Avant. This is again, something different. Reconstructing Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream. I don't think I've ever received a product from Avant to do with hair before. I don't think so anyway. Avant is a really, really pricey brand. This may cost over 50, 60, 70, 80 pounds. I don't know. There's no way that I'd spend that much money on a product, but I don't mind receiving it in a beauty box for me to try. I do like the fact that we have got something completely different here. We have had Avant in lots and lots of different beauty boxes, but something for your hair, yeah, I quite like that. Apply walnut size amount into the palms of your hands after shampooing and conditioning, then spread it evenly through the lengths of your hair and do not rinse. Yes, we got 25 mils there. It's got a hair cream, and then lastly a freebie. This is Idle by Lancome Le Perfume. I love this. I love this perfume. It's so lovely. I hate the bottle though. The bottle looks gorgeous, but it's a nightmare. It's a big bottle. It depends on the size you get, obviously, but it's so thin it can't stand up. You have to lean it against the wall, or you have to lie it flat somewhere. So handy putting it in like your handbag or something like that, I suppose, but not for putting on a shelf with the rest of your perfumes. Oh, and look, I got a little half a bottle there. What is it? 1 mil maybe, or half a mil? 1.2 mils. I do really like this though. Oh, it's such a gorgeous smell. Oh, it's so lovely. So those are all the products inside the July Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an Aveeno Skin Relief, a body oil spray. We got a This Works Duo Triangular Puffs. We got First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads for the face, a pack of 10. We got a Morning Expert Wake Up Spray by This Works. We got Ready Steady Glow Translucent Powder from Lottie London. We got a Keratin Hair Cream by Avant, and the little Lancome perfume Idol. I think it's a really great box this month. Standout products for me are the triangular powder puffs and this dry body oil. Great products, and the others are okay as well, especially that wake up spray. Yeah, if it works, it works. I don't know, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to subscribe, or is it not for you? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.